Let me show you the way that you dispute a transaction inside of Revolut. A dispute inside of Revolut is also called a chargeback, where you can ask for a refund for the payment that you made. For whatever reason, if you think the payment is not correct, you can add in a dispute to it. So in order to create a dispute of a transactions, you'll need to head over to the transaction section. Once you're inside of the transaction section inside of your Revolut, in order to create a dispute, you can just tap on any of these transactions that you're trying to create a dispute of. So just tap on one of these transactions to create a dispute. Now once you're inside of a particular transactions, right beneath the split bill and block future payments, you'll have an option called chargeback, or it may even say create a dispute. Just need to tap on that particular option and then add in your reason for this particular dispute. Make sure that you add in proper reason so that the receiver of the payment as well as Revolut can verify it. Once the dispute now has been made, you can also take a look at from some of the articles from Revolut which says why a dispute process can take up to 90 days. So you can take a look at this. Lastly, you'll also get sort of a timeline where you created a dispute or submitted a dispute. If your dispute is then accepted by the merchant, it's gonna say dispute accepted. If it is declined, it's gonna say declined right here on the bottom. So that's the way that you dispute a transaction on Revolut. Do give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more informative videos just like this.